Hi everybody, welcome to Live Blogger. In this video, I'll show you how to add this animated members section to your Blogger website. So I had shown you how to design this in the previous video. If you want to learn how to design this from scratch, you can watch the previous video. I will leave the link in the description of this video, and I will also leave the link of the source code. So in this video, we will add this to our Blogger website, and this is also completely responsive. So if you decrease the width of the browser window, this is how it will look on smaller screens. So let's get started. Alright, so here I have logged into my Blogger dashboard, and let's add this design to a post. You can also add it inside a page, so you can go over here to pages and click on new page, and you can add that over here. But I'll just add it to the posts section, and let's click on new post. And for the title, let's type our team members. And here the first thing you need to do is change this into the HTML view. So you can just click on this button and change it from the compose view to the HTML view. Now here you'll be able to add your HTML and CSS code. So first of all, let's add the CSS. I'll just create a style tag for that. And in this style tag, we will add the CSS. So let's go to our source code. And this is all the CSS that we have. So let's copy all of this. And let's paste it over here inside the style tag. Right now, let's go ahead and copy and paste the HTML. So let's go outside the style tag. Let's go back to our project. Let's copy this HTML from here. So I'll just copy from this line of code till the end. And let's paste it over here. And now we have pasted the HTML and the CSS of our design to our post. And now the next thing we need to do is we need to add the images. So right now, if we go to the HTML code, here we can see that the image source is set to images / the image name, but we don't have the images folder in our Blogger website. It is inside our local project. So what we need to do is we need to insert the images inside this post and get the link and paste it over here. So further, let's go back over here and let's click on this button called insert image. Let's click on upload from computer. Now here we can browse and go to the location of our image, or we can just simply drag and drop the images over here. Alright, so here are all the images of our design. So I'll just go ahead and select all of these, and let's drag and drop them over here. Now these images are basically PNGs, so I have removed the background of the images. Let's go ahead and select original size and click on OK. Now since we removed the background of the images, we have this effect right here. So you can just go ahead and use any online tool, or you can also use Photoshop or any other tool like that to remove the background of the images. And once you remove the background, you can just save the image as a PNG. So now let's go ahead and copy the links of the images. So let's copy this link from here. This is the link of the first image. So here we have it inside the href attribute. So just copy this and paste it over here for the first image. Let's do the same for the other images. So let's look for the second source, and it is this one right here. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here. And let's go back over here and let's go to the third image. And this is the third image. So let's copy this and let's paste it over here. And then lastly, we have the fourth image. So this is the fourth image. I'll just copy this and I'll just paste it over here. And now you can go ahead and change the names of your team members and the images to your needs. So now let's go ahead and delete these images from here. We have already gotten the links, so we don't need to have this right here. So now let's go ahead and click on publish, and let's see how it looks. And let's click on confirm. So our post has been published. Let's click on view. And this is how our post looks right now. We have these images. Let's hover over these images and we have the animation working, but we don't have the circle being displayed. So here we can see that we have the circle behind these images. So let's see what's the problem. So let's right click over here and go to inspect. And here we can see that we have this image container, and in that we have the circle. And for the circle, we have set a z index of -1. Now when we added the z index of -1, it is going behind this element that we have for the theme. So it is going behind this white container that we have. So for that, what we need to do is we need to isolate this image container. So we can just go over here to image container, and you can add this line of code called isolate, and this will give us the desired effect. So now we can see that it works alright. And then we also need to change the color of the name. So let's do both of those things. Let's go back over here. Let's go to our post, and here for the image container, let's type isolation, isolate, and let's go to the name, and here let's set the color of the text to black, and let's click on update. Let's go back to our post and reload. And now we can see that it looks alright. We have the hover effect also working alright. We have the correct colors displayed for the circle. And let's take a look at the mobile version, and this is how it looks. So everything looks alright. So that's basically how you can add this custom team members section to your Blogger website. Alright, so that's basically it for this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel to get the latest video updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day. We'll be right back.